We're going to a forest farm. I think I'm gonna have to tour you too. Okay. So we're on our way. Sorry if my voice is a little bit off, but I don't have voice. So shaky. There's more chicken trees. So we have a drift. Oh, there's a.
Oh my god. Why is there a horse? Get off the
Oh my gosh. We are in the Philippines, so gotta talk Tagalog in a bit. Turn up your phone there, but if you can hear me. How much am I active today? There's a lot of food. Yeah, we're paying. So I just talked to Gallagher and I have my fellow YouTuber here, Angela. Gonna show you her a little bit in a little bit. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of plants. And Lara Place is also with me on the other jeepney. So gonna be with her in a bit. And I am one in her videos on Vlogging Shrek, Vlog 1, Vlogging Camping. Name is Trisha. Sorry I didn't do the intro because I'm on a rush. Forest Wood Garden. Here it is. I am not sponsored. We are not sponsored. Oh, it's already cold in here, which is awesome. I'm with my classmates, by the way, and the fourth graders and fifth graders. It's really